Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Watch 2, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device. So let's pop it open. Come on. No, there we go, finally. Okay, below that we have our charger. So this is a magnetic one, which is pretty nice. Some paperwork, and well, that's about it. Now, taking a look at the actual device itself, let's go over the specs right here that we get. So we get a 1.4-inch display with a resolution of 466 by 466 AMOLED display with a peak brightness of about 600 nits. It also has 326 pixels per inch. It's running on Android Wear OS, and it's being powered by a Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 processor. And let's see, in terms of the battery capacity, we have about 495 milliamps in here. And it comes with a 32 gigabytes built-in storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So those are all the info. So there we go, that's the new watch from Xiaomi. Seems to be pretty decent. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.